Hi students, welcome to today's history class. Today we are going to see the third chapter of history, class 10, Samachir syllabus. So the slide what you're seeing, actually to understand this chapter 3, you need to know the basics, how what is World War II and what was the reason for the war and what are the causes of the war. We are going to discuss in this video. So here you can see the picture. There are two groups. Just take two groups. One is called Axis and another one is called Allied. Axis powers into the Germany, Italy and Japan. Allied into the Britain, France and USA. So first we are going to see Second World War எப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் ஆச்சு. Second World War has started on 1st September 1939 and it lasted up to 2nd September 1945. So what are the causes of the war? So these are all the causes of the war. Failure of League of Nations, Japanese invasion, policy of appeasement, rise of fascism and Nazism, dissatisfaction with Treaty of Versailles, Hitler's invention of Poland. So here, if you see this, first let us see what is this Treaty of Versailles. First லெசனில் நீங்கள் வேர்ல்டு வார் 1 பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. In World War I, what actually had happened? What was the climax of the World War I? So the countries, allied countries, they blamed, all the entire blame was taken up by Germany. So Germany was asked to pay a huge compensation for the damage caused due to World War I. So that led to a Treaty of Versailles ஒரு agreement போட்டாங்க. Treaty of Versailles is an agreement. இதில் Germany had ruined its economic condition. So and then Germany had to pay damages caused by the war for other countries. Only allowed to have a small army and 6 naval ships. அதாவது Germany can have only small army and they can have only 6 naval ships. No tanks, no air force or no submarines. ஏன்னா அதெல்லாம் இருந்தால் தான் again Germany will start to attack. So Germany was forced to surrender all these things at the end of World War I. And also land was taken away. And most of the land in Germany were taken away. You know. So who actually won this World War I? It was Allied. Allied. So if you want to know Allied, again you have to remember two groups. This is a fight between two groups. One is Axis, one is Allied. Allied under the Britain, France and United States of America. Clear? So Axis power totally surrendered to Allied power. And then finally all the blame was taken up by Germany. Germany was asked to pay a huge reparation cost. That's why the Treaty of Versailles. And this picture shows that Germans, you can see the condition, they were seen like after the end of World War I, they were just like totally economic downfall. So people even started to beg on the streets of Berlin. This picture you can see that Germany was asked to pay a huge reparation to America, to allied countries. Clear? So here you can see in this picture what's actually is this is. These are the trains loaded with German machinery deliver their cargo as reparation payment. So a huge cargo was sent through railways where it was totally loaded with cargoes, which was to compensate the reparation cost. Germany was blamed, so it had to pay a huge reparation. It happened, this picture, in the year 1920. So after the World War I என்ன ஆச்சு அடுத்தது? One is Treaty of Versailles, That was the cause of war. That is the main cause to start Second World War. First World War, where Germany was totally defeated, so economically downfall. People they don't even have food to eat in the country. People there is a subsistence problem everywhere in Germany. Because of this reason, when Hitler came to power in Germany during the World War II, Germany was the main cause to start the war. There are quite a number of causes. In that, one is this Treaty of Versailles, and then in order to make Germany economically stronger, that led to World War II. When World War One ended, there was something called as League of Nations, an organization that was like several countries were members of this League of Nations. Even this League of Nations was a failure. Because of the failure also is one of the causes to start World War II. Why? Because League of Nations was not able to control the member countries, and moreover League of Nations, you can see why did it fail? Why League of Nations failed? Not all countries joined this League of Nations. The League had no power. Then the League had no army. Without the army, how can you stop the war? And they were unable to act quickly. So these are all the reasons that was the downfall of League of Nations. And even because of the failure of League of Nations, this is one of the causes for World War II. First is you have to say Treaty of Versailles is one of the causes to start World War II, and next is failure of League of Nations is also causes for World War II. இதனால தான் World War II start ஆச்சு. So you have to explain. And next is about Hitler's policy. Here the picture what you see is called as Adolf Hitler. So Hitler started a Nazi party. You know, when he came to the power, the democratic Germany has changed into a dictatorship form of government. So when Hitler came to the power, he wanted to develop Germany economically stronger. Even he disliked the Treaty of Versailles. And this Treaty of Versailles was seen as a humiliation in the eyes of German. So they wanted a strong government to bring economical development. So because of his exceptional speech and a huge number of followers that attracted the skill of Hitler, he had a great oratorical skill. For that purpose, people chose him as a ruler. When he came to the power, he banned all the other political parties and he brought dictatorship form of government in Germany. After he coming to power in Germany, the period of his rule is called as a Holocaust. What do you mean by Holocaust? A nightmare, a brutal killing, a honor killing of the people of other communities. The other communities who lived during that time in Germany, not only Germans lived, you had Jews, Dutch, and other communities who lived in Germany. They were treated with harsh punishment. That is what he brought something called as a camp. The first concentration camp was created in the year 1933 during the Nazi party under the rule of Adolf Hitler. So here you can see the picture here, Jews they had a separate shop and Jews were treated very badly in Germany. And you can see this park. In this there is a bench in the park that is meant for Jews, which means these Jew people they have to sit only in that marked bench. If they sit somewhere else, they will be sent to concentration camp. That was the atrocity during the time of Nazism, Hitler's rule. And you can see in the slide, see the condition of the classroom and the student. Here you can see a teacher is showing in biology class difference between Germans and Jews. Because, when Hitler's rule, when Hitler ruled Germany, he doesn't want other community people to live in Germany. So he started attacking them. And even it was brought right from the school days. And only Germans were allowed to go to school. And non-Germans, they had a different place. And later, they underwent concentration camps. And lakhs of people were killed during his rule. Very brutal and cruel rule. He wants only pure Germans to live in Germany. That is the reason, most of the people they were against him. And when most of the countries were against him, this allied power, they disliked. So here you can see right from the school days, this kind of a things and atrocities were inculcated in the mind of people. You know, and here you can see these are the group of children you can see here. Nearly 10,000 Jewish children they took shelter in United Kingdom. So only so many people were left after the atrocities. These people they settled in United Kingdom. So most of the children they lost their parents. Due to the various means, others were brutally killed during the time of Nazi party. So these are all the pictures it tells. And even one more thing, even the physically handicapped children during the Nazi rule, even they were murdered. What according to him, Nazi party under Hitler, the handicaps were also sent to concentration camp. Those who are physically challenged or mentally challenged, whether it's a children or young people, up to 16 years of old, at least 5,000 children were victims of this program, which is called child euthanasia. Which means like murder of the unfit. Those who are unfit physically and mentally, they were brutally killed. So today the points you have to remember the causes of the World War II. First is Treaty of Versailles, and then next is failure of League of Nations, and then the third is Germany under Nazi party. And the remaining causes we will be discussing in the next class. I hope this video will be useful for you, especially the children, those who are studying Samachir syllabus, class 10 social science. Please understand these are the concepts. The three concepts you keep it in mind. Like a story you will understand and you can score marks in your exams. Let me discuss more causes and the course in my next video. Thank you and have a nice day.